Participate in launching the first international kite in Cambodia in the SkyFest event under the theme Khmer Can Fly and have kites from 9 different countries. 20 April 2023, 5:30 p.m. Canopy Sand Development Company, Limited is the major developer behind the development of the 934-hectare Bay of Lights project, which is pleased to bring the first international kite flying event in Cambodia. The event, called SkyFest, will take place on May 6 and 7, with more than 10,000 people expected to attend the Bay of Lights in Sihanoukville in the future. In addition, the program SkyFest is a great event organized under the same spirit to gather and reunite the great Khmer family through traditional culture and Khmer patriotism under the theme Khmer Can Fly, as the slogan inspire and encourage the younger generation to dare to reach their dreams and do more than expected. Co-organized by Killit Events Company, Ltd, in order to preserve the Khmer kite flying tradition forever. This event will invite students from Sihanoukville and Phnom Penh to participate in various activities to learn about the importance of promoting and inspiring them to love the traditional culture as well as understand the design of Khmer kites. Appearing on the international stage as part of corporate social development's corporate social responsibility efforts. Participants during the event day will also be able to take part in a short kite-making training and will be able to bring their own kite to participate in the kite-making and design competition, with a prize pool of US $500 for public participation and $300 for student participation. Not only in the SkyFest program, in addition to flying kites, there are also kites flying from international teams from 8 other countries, including Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, France, China, and the Philippines. Each group will show kites of all sizes and shapes. Different. In addition, SkyFest will give participants the opportunity to learn how to make Khmer kites from experts, a new experience made under the slogan Khmer Can Fly. On the day of the event, there will be a lot of delicious snacks throughout the day, and more than 20 food and beverage brands will be present on the day of the event. Apart from this, there will also be performances by the famous Cambodian circus group, Fair Ponlus Selpak Circus, which will perform under the theme Khmer Can Fly. It should also be noted that this event will have the first performance of Khmer sand sculpture, including water skiing performance by Jet Ski Group of Cambodia and a concert by famous artists such as Ms. Tep Boprek, Mr. Solifang, Mr. Mkeak, singer Intan Andriana, accompanied by live music and dancing from DJ Vutha, DJ Meili and DJ Chillbill.